Hello children, let's continue with our chapter 4, Introduction to MS Paint. Students, in our last class we have discussed in MS Paint we can draw different pictures, okay? And to draw the pictures we need a drawing book, okay? So in the computer MS Paint is a drawing book to draw the pictures. And we have learned how to open the paint window. For this we have to click on the start button, then Windows accessories and then paint. Okay, as you open the paint you see the untitled paint window appears on your screen. Okay, here you find there are window components of paint window. Okay, so in this drawing area we can draw pictures using the drawing tools. So in this video we will learn how to draw the pictures using these drawing tools. Okay, so we will discuss pencil tool, fill with color tool and eraser tool. So first is pencil tool. See here, this is pencil tool. This pencil tool is used for freehand drawing. Freehand drawing means like your actual pencil, you draw your picture same as you can draw the drawing. See here, take the pencil from here, okay, and from here and start drawing your picture like in this way. As you finish your drawing, you can leave your mouse button, release your mouse button. Okay, so this is the use of pencil tool. Now next is fill with color tool. Student, this is fill with color tool. It is used to fill colors in your drawing. After draw the picture in MS Paint, you have to fill the colors also now. Yes, for that we uses the fill with color tool. See here, take this take color from here, choose fill with color tool, okay, and then click inside this drawing to fill the colors. Next is eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase or rub the picture. It means if you want to erase any part of the picture, you can use this tool. Okay, so take the eraser from here, bring your mouse pointer on the drawing, and by pressing the left mouse button you can drag the mouse pointer over the image, over the picture to erase the drawing. Okay, next is draw lines and shape. For this we uses three tools: line tool, oval tool and rectangle tool. So students, see here, these are shapes. See here, all these are different types of shapes like line tool, oval tool, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, triangle, star, arrows, left, right, up, down arrows and callouts. Okay, all these tools used to draw different shapes. Okay, so first we will learn line tool. It is found in the shape group. Okay, so using this line tool we can draw straight line. How we will draw the straight line? First choose the color, take the line tool, you can choose the size also, okay, and by pressing shift key draw a straight line. Okay, next again choose another color, take again line tool and draw the straight line by using the shift key. Okay, next is oval tool. Oval tool is used to draw an oval shape. Okay, this is an oval shape. To draw an oval shape we uses the oval tool. For this, first select the color from the color tools, color palette, okay, and then choose the oval tool and drag the mouse pointer over the drawing area. So to draw the ovals. Now next is rectangle tool. It is also found in the shape group. Rectangle tool is used to draw a rectangle or squares. Okay, for this you have to select the rectangle from the shape group. Okay, then choose the color and bring your mouse pointer over the drawing area, press left mouse button and drag your mouse to draw the rectangle. So in this way you can draw these pictures using these tools. Now next is how to save a drawing. To save a drawing we have to click on the file tab. See here, this is file tab. This is step number 1. Click on this file tab. Step number 2, click on this save button. Click on this save button. And step number 3, type the name of your drawing, like your name or any name you can give to your file, and then click on this save button. Click on this save button to save your drawing. Now how to open a saved file? Again you have to click on the file menu. From here you have to select, this is the step 1, to click on the file menu. In the step 2, click on the open option. Okay, click on this open option. Next is step 3, choose, yes, from this location you have to select a file. Wherever you have saved, now select the location and select the name of file and click on open button. Now how to close the paint window? To close the paint window, just upper right side of the paint window you will see the cross button. Okay, this is close button. Just click on it to close this paint window. As you will click on it, it will ask to you that do you want to save changes to Untitled. If you will press yes, then it will open the save as dialog box to save your drawing. If you will press don't save, it will close your paint window. So this is all about MS Paint. Thank you.